Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington. From small startups to global corporations, join me as we go inside the dynamic business world and explore some of today's successful companies. Welcome to Modern Business. The age-old problem of maintaining roads is getting some help from new technology thanks to the Aqua Patch.
It's one of the oldest problems in driving. Streets full of potholes. Even if there's a temporary repair, it seems like no time at all before the potholes are back again. Most CIVIC street repair programs are using methods that are over 50 years old. Now there's a new way to patch up the road, quickly, permanently, and without having to wait for things to get so bad that they require a large-scale repair program. The Aqua Patch has arrived.
Aqua Patch is a US-patented high-performance water-activated asphalt patching material. Unlike conventional products, it sets up quickest and lasts the longest of anything else in the industry. Aqua Patch is environmentally friendly because it uses revolutionary organic binder. Maintenance agencies can save time and money, eliminating repeated repairs.
The traditional road patching method uses asphalt, either hot, which requires a large crew and heavy equipment, or cold, which does not stand up over time. Because the hot material comes only in large batches and requires a heavy investment of resources, the community will usually wait until there are a lot of potholes before dispatching a repair crew. This approach results in lots of disgruntled drivers and lawsuits that can mount up.
For hundreds of years, we've been dealing with potholes, and the solutions that are on the market are either really expensive or don't always last very long. And Aqua Patch fits a really good niche of both, and so it offers a really long-term solution to a problem, but at a cost that's affordable for cities and states and departments of transportation.
Savings of time and money are lost if the crew has to make repeat visits until a larger repaving job is approved.
At Vance Brothers, we always like to partner with companies that offer the best of something. We never want to be a second-run manufacturing company, and the team at Aqua Patch really did a good job of showing us why their product stood out from everybody else in the market. And the Aqua Patch team really has been phenomenal to work with. They've been easy to deal with, and they make our life pretty easy in terms of being a manufacturer for them.
Aqua Patch is a cold mix solution that has the durability of hot mix asphalt. No heating equipment is needed. Just add water to start the chemical reaction that binds the material. For light traffic areas, Aqua Patch can be driven on immediately after installation, and it's ready for any kind of traffic after only 2 hours. It can be installed in any weather. Water simply helps it bind faster. Governments are finally waking up to the need to upgrade infrastructure. Professional crews and homegrown DIYers alike use Aqua Patch as a fast, simple solution to long-term repairs of roadways, sidewalks, and driveways. Even though it's a permanent fix, it's also environmentally friendly. People who care are making the world a smoother place, one pothole at a time.